Hi everybody, it's Andrew from Launch 27, and in this video I want to give you an overview on the concept of booking notes and booking comments. So notes and comments are the primary way for customers, staff, and team to communicate with each other. Now in Launch 27 we take extra care to make sure that any communication that staff and team have amongst themselves are kept private from the customer, because a lot of times you're going to be communicating things between staff and the team, users that go out to clean this or do the whatever service that you offer. You want to keep that stuff internal and private from the customer being able to see what you're saying. So we take great care to do that in both the notes and the comments. So I'm just going to jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is click on the booking to follow what I'm doing. And if you scroll to the bottom, you see that we have three sections. One is for staff notes, one is for customer notes, and then one is for the comment thread on the booking. So the staff notes are added by staff. Only staff can add these notes to the booking, and only staff and the assigned teams can see what are in the staff notes, meaning that a customer can never see this. So whatever private communication you want to be able to have between staff and teams, you put it here. Now, so what's the difference? Why would I ever use the comments instead of the notes? Now, the key thing is that in Launch 27, we have recurring bookings, meaning that you can set up a weekly booking, a bi-weekly, or every 4 weeks, whatever. So any notes that you add are always going to be permanently attached to every occurrence in that recurring series. So anything permanent that you want staff and team to always know about the booking, you should put it in the notes, because every time the next occurrence in the recurring booking series gets created, those notes will get copied over. So every time, for every booking in a recurring booking series, the notes get copied over. Just remember that those are permanent. And so the customer notes are added by the customer, but they can be seen by both staff and team. So again, they're permanent and they're entered in by the customer, but also staff can edit them when needed. But just keep in mind that notes are permanent and they get copied over to every booking in a recurring series. Now, comments, on the other hand, are temporary. So they only are tied to a particular occurrence of the booking. So let's say it's a holiday week, a Christmas week, or Thanksgiving week, or something like that. And you have the comments that are particular to this appointment in the series. Like, let's say for Thanksgiving, I have to tell the cleaners to clean up the extra guest bedroom because I have guests coming in for Thanksgiving. So that's not going to be a permanent communication that I want for every week, every appointment. So I just really want to add this as a comment. And so again, just like the notes, staff can add comments, teams can add comments, and customers can add comments. The big difference is that whatever a team comments, the customer will not be able to see, but the staff can have it an option so that if they want to send a comment like this, they can make it so that only staff can see it, sent to staff, or only a customer can see it, or only the team can see it, or everyone can see it. So staff have the most power here, and all this is for is to just maintain privacy between the different roles in the system, between the staff, other staff, between customer and the teams. So depending on what you want to keep private from these groups, you have to choose this here. But as far as the team goes, when the team makes a comment, then only staff can see. But when a customer makes a comment, typically a staff and a team can see it. Although you have more control over what the staff can see, what the team can see and what they can't see, typically a lot of people want the customer's comments to be viewed by the team, because sometimes the customer will add important information there. So I hope I've given you a pretty thorough overview on how notes and comments work. And in other videos, I will show what this looks like when you log in as a customer to try to leave a comment, and when you log in as a team to try to leave a comment. So if you have any more questions, please let us know at support@launch27.com. Thanks.